Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 6 entitled Charles and Lucy Mary. So, before we get into our text, chapter 6, let me tell you something about chapter 5th or recapitulate some of the things which we already have discussed. We have discussed in chapter 5th about the proposal of marriage, and we know that there came some person to propose marriage with Lucy. And at the end of the chapter 5th, we know there came Sydney Carton to propose her to get married with her. So, Sydney Carton, he also loves Lucy and came to propose her. And he says that truly I love to you so much, but I know if you get married with me, I am the person that can spoil your life or ruin your life or destroy your life. Okay, because there was something that he knew that that person is not suitable for Lucy. In this chapter, we are going to see Charles and Lucy marry. Before this, we are going to deal with some incidents which happened before Charles and Lucy marry. So here we know Mr. Defarge entered his cafe in Saint Anthony, and with him there was workman. Okay. This person is the same person who had seen man who was hanging on to Marcus carriage. ਇਹ ਉਹੀ ਪਰਸਨ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਰਕਸ ਦੇ ਕੈਰੀਏਜ ਜਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟਾਂਗਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲਟਕਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. Both Defarge and workman entered the home and they were covered with dust. Ma'am Defarge, as we see, her job is to knitting, and still today she was silently knitting behind the counter. And when Defarge and workman entered the home, Defarge greeted her and said, "Good day, my wife." And they entered the home, and along with him there was workman, and his name is Jacques, and this Jacques is the fifth Jacques. They sat down and at the table and they have meal together. And when they finished the meal, Defarge got up and asked Jacques that, "Shall I show you the room I told you about?" And he showed the room to him. And before that, they were discussing something. They went outside, and their courtyard was so dirty. And they went upstairs to the 5th floor, and where Mr. Lorry and Lucy had found Dr. Mente some 6 years earlier. So now the same place where Defarge took this workman Jacques have entered the same room where Lucy's father was staying, and 6 years earlier. But no white-haired man was there now. ਪਰ ਹੁਣ ਉਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਅਜਿਹਾ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਆਦਮੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਪਲੇਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੂਸੀ ਦਾ ਫਾਦਰ ਸੀ. ਉਹ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ. ਐਂਡ ਹੀਅਰ ਜੱਕੀਸ ਕੇਮ ਟੂ ਲਿਵ ਵਿਥ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਡਿਫਾਰਗੇ. Here Jacques told the story that what has happened with Marcus. Now we know that Marcus' murder has been done by someone, and that person Jackie Fifth knows. And he said that this is the person whose son was run over by a carriage which Marcus was driving, or Marcus was going on. So he told the story that how Marcus' death has happened. He says that when Marcus was going on his way, in the street there were children, and one of the children was run over by the carriage, and that child was of Gasper's son. And when Gasper saw that his son has died by Marcus, because Marcus' carriage was run over the son, and with huge anger, with lot of furiousness, Gaspard hanged behind the carriage of Marcus, and he went at his home and he killed him. And he knows that the Gaspard has killed Marcus. Therefore, he revealed the story to them, and everyone was shocked by hearing this. And the others people, they were searching Gaspar many years, but after some years Gaspar was found and caught after 9 years, and he was punished with hanging by neck, and he was hanged until his body rotted. So very, very pathetic that he got, that he was hanged until he was rot. And there was also discussion. Also, Jackie said that, "What do you say, Jackie?" said Jackie's one to Defarge, "that Marcus' family and all his race will die, every last one of them killed, exterminated." So he says that Marcus' family will be killed, up to everyone. And hope this is helpful to you. Next part of this chapter we will do in the next time.